Guys, I'm here with my 2009 Mini Cooper, and over the winter I went to put some groceries in the car, and this is what happens. Open it up, went to put groceries in, it fell right back down. So that tells me the gas struts, which are these, have worn down. So one of the first things you're going to need is a stick to hold it open while you change them out. So this one's about 4 feet long. You want to find the exact same spot, but you need something that's at least around 4 feet long. The other thing you're going to need is a small screwdriver, and because you're going to be able to pop them off. I got these on A1 Auto. You basically just search for your model and make car. This is 2009 Mini Cooper, and these are let's see. About 19 inches from mount to mount. So these should fit as replacements up here. So let's go ahead and get the old ones off and put on the new ones. Okay, this is my driver's side upper one that's connected to the hatch, and should never have pay anyone to replace these because it's really easy to do. Basically, you have a clip here, and the clip is, when it's on, it's clamped around a ball that's a pivot ball up here. So basically, you just have to pull this clamp off enough, like that, and you should be able to pull it right off, just like that. So the same thing, do it on the other end, and let me move the camera and get a shot of that one. Okay, I'm going to get this other end off, and it's basically the same idea. There's a clip here, small screwdriver. There's a little slot that allows you to put in your screwdriver, either from the, here we go. Just pull it off a little bit. You don't have to take it off all the way unless it does come popping off, and there it is. Okay, basically when this clip is on, just like here, you see that it clips around the ball. So when you end up pulling this clip off, it opens it up. See, it's on, pull it back, opens it up. So that's how that works. Okay, I'm gonna put the new one on, but before I do that, I have some of this grease. It's synthetic marine grease, so it's waterproof, I know. So it's that blue stuff that I have in other videos that I use to grease up the hatch latch trigger. So I'm just going to take a little bit. If there's anything that pivots, always helps when you have a little bit of grease on it. So on the part, I'm going to pull the thing back a little bit, slid it over. That shows in the hole that it's out of the way. So I'm going to snap that in. A pair of needle nose probably helps too. I'm going to try to use that to push it back on. bottom side here. There it goes. You can see it when it snaps on, fully on, it won't come off. So, I know the bottom's in, so let's go ahead and do the top side. Okay, I'm on the hatch side now. Just like before, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this marine grease on here. Can't hurt. This side, go ahead and slide this down a little bit. That should be enough. So I'm going to have to either have to compress it, which is probably really hard, or just lift up the hatch. My stick's going to fall. Get it on. Slide this in. Make sure it's fully seated. I can see this side's already holding it up pretty good. So let me go ahead and do the other side. Okay, I got them both replaced. Also, didn't take long, maybe 5-10 minutes. And great thing now, opens up, doesn't fall on my head, got pushed down, I'm closing it. Now, I did try something to see how bad these shocks were. So let me go ahead and set up that demo a little bit. Okay, I think these were original to the car. This is BMW group on it, and they're made by that Stabilis Liftomat. It has directions to descends to body. So anyways, the new ones, I weigh about 200 pounds, and the new ones I could not push down on them. Basically, I put all my weight on it, I could not put. So look at this. So you know that they're not working. Now that one's completely gone. This one I could push down, and the new ones I could not even push down, even putting all my weight on it. So this one still has a little bit. This one's totally shot. Just falls back out. So that's how you go ahead and replace them. They're really easy. Get them online. Cost about 20-some, 30 bucks for a pair. Always replace the pair together. So thanks for watching, and good luck on yours.